Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is why is my Panasonic TV not turning on? So guys, first one is check power source. So make sure the TV is plugged into a working outlet. And now you can just simply locate the physical power button on the TV. Often it will be on the side or bottom and just simply press and hold it for around 10 seconds. Another one is perform a hard reset. So unplug the TV from the power outlet and you can just simply press and hold the power button for 60 seconds and plug the TV back in and try turning it on. And now, another one is inspect a blinking LED. So guys, a blinking LED light may indicate an internal hardware failure. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.